Oh, one sec. That's how you do it.
Wardrobe week. This doesn't fit on my head. Time to sort some stuff out.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. He's gonna murder you.
No, not. I'm not dead. That one. Get that one. Someone at the door. Hi.
Hey!
She's empty.
Sledgehammer?
Sledgehammer.
Yes.
And the colour is like beige.
Who wants what?
Oh, wow. Yes. Yes.
Ooh! Easy as that.
Oh, that. Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
And if you can...
put it like
That
up,
one after.
up. Wiggle and a jiggle.
Perfect.
Here she is.
Thank you. Yes! I'm going to break that. That works?
Yeah, nice work.
Oh, like butter.
Okay.
Oh no.
She's not small. She's not small.
Okay, so we've got a little bit of repairing to do.
Just a little.
Nice. Whoops. Start from that corner, and as it steams through like this, it gets nice and wet. That's when you can scrape it off. In a lot of cases, you can literally peel it.
Oh, it smells. Old dirty wallpaper.
Oh, that checks out. Well, this is coming off on one massive sheet. Yes.
That just turn off.
Yeah, you add water. I think we might have tripped the thermal overload because it isn't doing anything anymore. Time for the fridge. But what if I've got no idea what I'm doing?
I'm sure they can help you with that.
Oh yeah, here we go. So there's a little bit of plaster in the back of that. I'm going to try and pull it forward with a screw in the middle so that I can pull it and then glue it into place, and that'll be the back blocking for any plaster they put over the front. Fingers crossed, we'll see if it works. And that'll just give my plaster something to stick to when I put it over the top.
Might need it too.
I think we'll get you on.
Sweetheart, we're keeping you up, darling.
Oh, is the scraping too loud? Sorry, honey. Okay, I'll stop the scraping.
She's moist.
That's worked really well.
What have you been doing with that?
Just filling in this hole. Round 2. Right, now I need to get my primer on today, but before I can get the primer on I need the plaster smooth. So what I'm going to do, before taking the girls to school, I'm just going to get a whole lot of plaster in there, and then I'm going to crank the heat pump, see if we can get it dry in time. Fingers crossed. Oh. yeah. Oh man.
Oh no.
It's gonna keep going too. What have I done? I have regrets. I didn't really want to take all of it. I just wanted to do the door.
Yeah.
Sort of, yeah. It freaking did. Excellent. Okay. I don't quite know if this is the right thing to do, but it's done now.
I mean, it will make plastering easier.
Yeah, I need to get that corner plastered. Yeah. What if I take that one off too?
No.
No! Don't!
I'm freaking out about the workload.
Alright, we'll call it there.
We've already gone
That's
from
enough.
just the wardrobe to now the entire wall and surround to now above the door as well. So the job just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't need to go with that one.
Huh?
Don't need to do this.
If you're up for it.
Yeah, I'll do the low stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All we're doing is pre-battering. Like a cake.
Pre-battering.
Yeah, and I'll get this wet. Right, let's get a bucket. I'm good at getting things wet.
Mm-hmm, there you are. Speed more than precision.
Yep.
You got it.
Let's get a bunch.
Flick it everywhere. Yeah.
Flick it everywhere.
Yeah. Got it.
It's an essential step.
Yeah.
Flick it all over the show.
Yeah. Oh, flicking stuff.
Okay.
Got it.
No worries, mate. What's going to be the easiest way for you? The larger one's quite a wide unit. That grey one at the back. Right up on.
Yeah, just over here if that's okay. Cheers, mate. Thank you. $15 to $20mm strip for a very 20mm dessert spoon of builder's fill.
I've got it to work. Oh no, there's a chunk. I can't use it flat to level it because it's got the spoony edge. It's split. It went like the carpet. I just went to put the lid on and it went.
Beautiful.
Oh, I changed my mind.
Get out. Sometimes you get to a point where the brain just doesn't want to brain anymore and the social side of it doesn't work. So when that happens, it's time for some earbuds and silent enjoyment of the experience. So without further ado, we go into low power mode. I'm banking on your feet having done that.
My feet. Should we take my shoe off and have a look at the...
Shit. Okay, so it was me.
It's fine.
What's worse? Oh no.
So between that and the builder's fill falling on the carpet, I think we didn't pull our drop sheet out far enough.
Right, let's figure out how to install a wardrobe. Hold that flush.
Don't move, right?
Don't move a muscle. That's enough. Cool, thank you. Well done. Now I'm going to do some measuring.
Do you need your stud finder?
Stud.
I'm purposefully not laughing. So good. I love it.
Cool contrast, eh?
My inspiration being what my bedside table is and my tissue box. So
Oh yeah.
yeah, it's the colours of the tissue box and mid-century modern meets contemporary something.
Ah, hot. Okay, what's next? Instructions. I should read some instructions. I've had it for years, and now it's finally getting put to use. As a shin.
Where's the starting point? Is there a starting point? Capturing all your farts on fart montage.
No, then people might know how much I fart. Oh, you bastard. Old house walls are never straight. Fuck. Oh, fuck! Twisted ankle. Stupid, uneven bit.
Right.
I've given it a wee bit of a plane down, so hopefully it fits the wall now. Oh, yes! Woo! That's better. Nothing. I just may have used this panel here instead of this panel here. And when I went to screw these guys in, well, there's no screw holes. A mirrored. Perfect. Just like that. Oh, it looks amazing.
Yeah.
It looks $1 million.
Put this stuff in the way. You know the dealio.
That I do.
Oh.
Okay. Well, that looks good. Last thing to go, I think, is going to be the scotia. So I'm going to go get that, get it into place, and get it looking nice. That'd be great if you could hold that far end. We'll get a screw in, if you can hold that end.
Oh, jeez.
Tells me I need a bigger hole. Guess it won't hold.
Oh, shit.
Fuck yeah! This is like a Christmas present that your sibling wrapped.
Mirror, finally. Actual full length mirror.
Good work. Accurate.
Oh, wait. Oh, you're serious.
Damn, Daniel!
Don't look at the rest of the room, but yeah.
Oh, I love it.
You gotta show the other sides, honey.
Oh, right,
Yeah, yeah.
And it goes all the way across. Ah! He's a nerd.